Today we're putting the Yanmar Tractor back together. It's all finished. Here we go. One said it's a 20. Damn.
Bit of a tight budget on this one.
Done.
Now you can play like I bought one.
Now it's like I bought one. That looks really good. How shiny is that? It looks really good.
Looks ready to roll again, Jim.
It does. It does. So shiny. You've outdone yourself, Gary.
Thanks, mate.
You're funny. Don't they call these decals in the States? We call them stickers. Oh, that's beautiful. So there we go. The Yanmar tractor is finished. Doesn't that look spectacular? Have you guys subscribed yet? I'm not sure if you have. You might have. It looks above and beyond what I thought I was going to be getting myself into. If that makes sense. Everything, like I mean, Garry from AMC Restoration has done a spectacular job on the painting of the bonnet and taking out any little dents and dings, and there was a massive amount of them in these guards, like as much as the rust I did. The only ones you saw, it's not really a dent, that's part of the form of where there was indicator lights. I'm under the impression there was holes there and I welded them up. It was in an earlier video on this. And a little tiny toolie box and all the stickers. Oh, we call them stickers. In other places they call them decals, but it looks super neat and tidy. I know this is not the original color, but I don't think it matters because nothing else is original from what I can tell. I also made a little towing hitch. I did that off camera the other day, rainy day. So it's not an adjustable one. So it's just fixed pivot up the top there and fixed pivot at the bottom, but it goes up and down and it's level. So if somebody wants to use it as a towing rig, for around their property, or they're just going to tow a trailer, or whatever the case, they'll certainly be able to. Like that unit will go with the tractor on the 3-point linkage there. So I'm very, very happy with it. So I think it's ready for test drive. Let's open this big garage door up and go for a drive and make sure everything works. Like the other day when I did the startup video, I did test drive the PTO as such, but it was on jack stands, so couldn't really go anywhere. So the PTO, it all works, and the gears for the PTO, because there's multiple speeds for the PTO drive, which I've never seen in a tractor before. My other little one doesn't have that function. So, and I put it into gear, and all the gears seemed to work and things like that, but it was on jack stand, so I couldn't go anywhere. I didn't have everything, didn't have wheels on it at the time, so. But now it does, so I'm ready for a test drive. So here we go. Runs really well. Goes forward and backwards. Don't know if you can hear me, but that foot tread looks really, really good compared to the old one. Oh, let's go up and down with the doodad. Up, we have down, all the fancy stuff. Well, that's really good. Okay, now we gotta go for a drive. Here we go. That's a wild ride. Not a bad little jigger. Heaps of torque. Like it just climbed up that hill in idling. So, and that was, it was in high range, but it was only in like second gear. So, and there's a couple more gears to go. Imagine in low range in first gear. It'd just about pull a bend out of a river. Not bad for a little 2-cylinder. It's nice little test drive. It's really comfortable to drive around in, and it certainly does everything that I wanted it to do. So I'd like to thank Garry from AMC Restorations. He's done a marvellous job on that bonnet and the guards as such. They were in pretty bad shape, although I cut all the rust and steel out, things like that, but he finished them off really well. So thanks for that, Gary. Very much appreciated. And anyone else that needs any restoration work done on any of their motor cars, he mainly concentrates on AMC motor vehicles, but he's happy to look after you on any of those. So link for his Facebook page and contact details are down in the description. It's just a nice little tractor. Just really nice. If you'd like to consider subscribing, that would be awesome. And if you like the builds that I do, I've got a few motor vehicle ones coming up. You can also buy me a coffee down in the description. You just click on the link, and don't mind a brew every now and then. So guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. See ya.